If you're an elementary teacher, if you use Canva, if you teach primary students, you gotta see this app I found. Once you're inside your document, you're actually gonna go down here and you're gonna hit apps. The app we're gonna be using is called text to image, but if it doesn't pop up at the top in trending, just scroll down until you find the icon. What this app does is it basically allows you to put in words and then it's going to create an image using AI that matches the words you put in. Let's have some fun with it. As you can see, after you put your text in, Canva is going to do its magic to try to find a match with your images and words. And then all you have to do is click it, and it comes right into your presentation. This app would be so great for primary students, really like your kindergarten, first grade, second grade, who don't have the time or the capacity to design things big. They could do a writing prompt, some kind of fun figurative language, narrative writing, and then they could go into Canva, type in something that goes along with their writing, and it will create an image for them. I think this would also be really cool to use within the integration of Book Creator and Canva, and kids could then use this to help create images for whatever type of book they're writing. As always, leave any questions in the comments, and like and follow for more tips and tricks on how to use technology in the elementary classroom.